Hey guys, today we are replacing the cup assembly on this AcuRite 5-in-1 weather station. I featured this product over 5 years ago on this channel. The wind speed sensing device, or the anemometer, stopped freely spinning after just a few years. I'm only now worked up the courage to spend almost $40 to replace this part, and I'm happy to say that I haven't experienced any other issues with this device that weren't already covered in the previous video. Anyways, back on topic, let's start off by removing the batteries and make sure that the device goes offline. Next, we're going to remove the 4 screws and separate the weather station into the 2 main parts. Mine is quite dirty inside, but I'll clean that up a little later with a brush and a little bit of water. Now unscrew the 4 screws in the upper section to remove the wind cup assembly. Okay, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the 2 assemblies, and you can see that the old one isn't functioning too well right now. The upgraded model has 2 solar panels to provide more power for a longer period of time to the little fan inside of the device. This fan pushes air over a thermometer, ensuring a more accurate reading of the outside temperature. The low bubble level is also slightly larger in the new model. And lastly, there is a little screw in the latest model that covers a little hole for oil. They recommend spraying in some oil here. I've added a little squirt of a silicone based oil. I wouldn't use WD-40 here because it might deteriorate the plastic over time. Let's get things put back together here and we'll speed things up. It's pretty straightforward. When I reinstalled the batteries, the sensor didn't connect back to the screen, so I needed to do a hard reset. Once the sensor connected, the temperature was stuck on -40 degrees. Now it's been a while since I changed these batteries, so I'm going to just swap these out with some fresh Energizer lithium cells. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. The temperature is going back to normal. Well, kind of normal. For some reason, the indoor monitor is showing an inside temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and the outside sensor says 16 Celsius, but they're right next to each other. I'm not sure what's going on here. That's just another problem I can add to my list. Let's blow some air over those cups, and after a quick test, it looks like the wind speed is now working again. Okay, let's run outside and get this prop back up on the pole. Looks like we're back in business. Yeah, we got some good readings coming in here. So links for everything that you've seen here today are in the description below. Let me know if you found this information helpful with a thumbs up, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future home tech DIY projects you can do yourself. Thanks for watching.